Dear Sherry, I am planning on giving an outdoor barbecue and I want to make it an infused party. Is there a way to infuse the meat? Or do you have other suggestions for an outdoor summer infused party? Well, great questions. Before I get to the answer, just want to remind you, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, when it comes to entertaining at an outdoor infused barbecue, yeah, there are ways of infusing the meat using like an injector and injecting a marinade into maybe either a beef roast or certainly into a turkey, like if you were going to do a deep fried turkey. And I'll have links below to recipes for some of that. But generally, I would avoid medicating the meat and medicate other things. And there's lots of other things at a summer barbecue that you can medicate. If you really want the meat course to be medicated, I would do so maybe by a sauce, like a medicated barbecue sauce. And I'll have a recipe for one of those below too in the comments. So think of the condiments that you're going to serve along with the meat would maybe be an easier and also more effective way to get medication into that main course. Beyond the main course, there's also all kind of other things you can medicate, from appetizers, salads, side dishes like a medicated potato salad or coleslaw, and of course, there's lots of desserts. So there's lots of options when you're going to have a barbecue or an outdoor party. See the links below for recipes. Generally speaking, I think it's easier to medicate things other than the meat, although if you really want to, you can. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.